Welcome. In this class, I'm going to be covering bachata chest isolations. These are the moves that you can use when you dance bachata and other dance styles as well. Body isolations in general help us spice up our dancing and make it more interesting. That's why they are worth practicing and learning. Chest isolation basically means that we want to isolate our chest from the rest of our body and keep the rest of our body still. Now, of course, body parts that are closest to our chest are going to move a little bit as well because they are connected to our chest, but we want to try to isolate our chest as much as we can. So let's start with the first chest isolation. We're going to start in this position with our feet hip-width apart or a little bit wider. Toes are pointing either forward or slightly to the side and knees are relaxed. You can rest your hands either on your thighs or your hips. And we're going to move our chest forward and then back. Okay, so we are opening our chest, pushing our shoulder blades together, and then we are rounding our back like this. Opening our chest and rounding our back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we want to make sure that our hips stay in one place. We don't want to move our hips along with our chest like this, okay? We don't want to arch our back and move our hips to the back. We want to keep them in a neutral position and move only our chest, okay? Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now moving on to the second chest isolation move. We'll push our chest to one side and then to the other. To one side and then to the other. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, we want to make sure that our hips stay in one place. We don't want to move them like this, okay? We want to keep them in a neutral position, and maybe from the waist up, we want to move this part to one side and then to the other. And in order for us to be able to move our chest from one side to the other, we need to use our obliques, which are muscles on the sides of our body. And these are going to help us move our chest like this. Okay, so let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to put together these chest isolations that we just did into a square, okay? So on one, we're going to open our chest forward. Then we're going to move our chest to the side, then to the back, and then to the other side. And again, forward, to the left, to the back, and to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Before we move on and do the same thing to the other side, we're going to connect these 4 points into a circle, okay? So we're going to open our chest and draw a half circle in front and then half circle in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll come back to the center. And now we'll repeat the same thing to the other side, starting with the square. So on 1, we're going to open our chest forward, then push it to the side, then to the back, and then to the other side. And again, forward, to the side, to the back, and to the other side. And keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll come back to the center. Let's repeat it one more time to both sides, okay? Square and a circle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now moving on to our last chest isolation move that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are bringing our chest diagonally forward and then bringing it back to the center. Same thing to the other side. Bringing our chest diagonally forward and then bringing it back to the center. And again, I'm going to turn sideways so you can see me better. So on 1, we're opening our chest and bringing it diagonally forward. 1. Then on 2, we're going to bring our chest back to the center into a neutral position. And on 3, we're going to move our chest diagonally forward to the other side. And then on 4, we're going to bring it back to the center. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, every time I bring my chest forward, I open it as well, okay? So it's the same thing that we did in our first chest isolation move when we were opening our chest and then rounding our back. So this is the same thing same movement that we want to apply here, okay? We are opening our chest and then bringing it back to the center, except now we don't want to round our back, we are in a neutral position. We just want to open our chest and then bring it here. Open our chest and bring it here. Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Now let's try with music. We'll go each move for 2 8 counts. Okay, get ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side. Square. Circle slowly. To the other side. Circle. Diagonal chest movement. Great job. Well done. These are the chest isolation moves. Please practice these pretty often if you can, so that you can get used to these moves and build them into your muscle memory. That was all for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you very soon.